Hello, we'll see what is one dimension, what is two dimension, three dimension and fourth dimension object in universe. So we'll take very simple example. So we'll imagine this rope is a one dimensional universe. So a one dimensional being only knows one dimension. So it only can go forward or it can only go backward. For it there is no height and there is no breadth. Now if we squeeze the space in a one dimensional object, we'll get a two dimensional object in one dimensional universe. A one dimensional being would not understand what is happening in the space fabric in second dimension. It only can move forward, it can only move backward. It cannot see or understand the second dimension which is created in one dimensional universe. Now coming to two dimensional universe, it is like a sheet of paper. In a two dimensional universe there is breadth and there is length, there is no height. If we compress the space fabric in a two dimensional universe with enough matter and energy, we'll get a three dimensional object. So a two dimensional being would not understand the third dimensional object. It cannot see, its physics cannot understand what is happening. It only can see the length and it only can see the breadth. It cannot see the height or depth created in its universe. Now our universe is a three-dimensional universe. When we have enough material which gets squeezed, it creates a black hole. So the black hole is the fourth dimensional object in our three-dimensional universe. Just like it gets squeezed from one dimension to two dimension to three dimension, our black hole is the fourth dimensional object. Our physics cannot explain what is black hole, what is happening inside black hole, because we cannot see the fourth dimensional object. Now let's see if the same is true in the reverse way. Just like after Big Bang, we had an event horizon earlier. The universe started with a tiny dot and it started expanding. We can take the same example in a two-dimensional universe. So in a two-dimensional universe, we have three-dimensional object. So in a two-dimensional universe, if it expands from three-dimensional to two-dimensional object, the space fabric of the two-dimensional universe, it gets expand. So the two-dimensional being or the creature will see its own space, its own matter, its own energy is expanding. For a one-dimensional universe, if there is two-dimensional object, so if it starts expanding, a one-dimensional being or a creature can see that the space fabric is increasing, the matter is moving away from each other. Just like our own universe, we can see the galaxies moving away. So our universe is moving from a fourth dimensional object, which might be a black hole or might be similar to black hole, from a fourth dimensional object to a three-dimensional universe. I hope it makes sense.